Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine.
No, that'll be fine because, yeah, but they have 2 images that they check. They have to verify that you actually went through the red light, violated the red light. They have to be sure that you actually violated the red light. So there's it'll take it, yes.
This is my song.
Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Doing that, folks.
This is my story.
I need to make sure that I am in the correct lane.
Praising my Savior all the day long.
Can't do it now. I'm going up to Adidas, so I need to get up to 5th Avenue. So
perfect delight, visions of rapture now burst on my side. Angels descending, spring from above. Echoes of mercy, whispers of love. This is my story.
Okay, shoot.
This
Okay,
is my
that
song.
was. We gotta drop back down. Now that was 5th Avenue.
This is my story.
Yes, I did. I lived right here at this
Praising my Savior
apartment
all
building right
day
here.
long.
Yep, I did.
Praising
Yep, I
my
did.
Savior all the day
I did. Yep, I lived yep. Yep. Too far south. Yeah, I did. Yeah, so, yep, we need to get on 5th Avenue. Going for Deacon's Medical Center. I'm trying to head to. Lincoln. Yeah, Lincoln goes up. Lincoln goes up. Actually, no, Lincoln goes down. Then you can go to Monroe. Right. I just we'll go up Monroe here. So it is on 6th Avenue. We'll take Jefferson to Tutoring Street. I think it is. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's right there. I keep on thinking it's 5th Avenue, but oh, it is. About 30 seconds away. I'm about 30 seconds away. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna see them real quick, and then because I do. So I think she needs to stay put and wait for the diagnosis. Mom, they're incredibly busy. So, and I'll stay here and wait with you. I got sleep today, so don't worry about that. And if it helps you a little bit. There's some, I put $5 and quarters on the table, so we have that. Yep, I did. Yes, I did. I gave that back to you today, actually. Safe? Yes, it is. Okay, we're good. Yep, we're good. Made it. Yep. Yeah, see if she's... Whoa, sorry about that. It's okay.